Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you step by step how to do a clean French rope braid with close-ups and comfortable pacing so it's easy to follow, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's get started. First, take a section of hair from the top of the head. Make sure the hair is brushed really well so there are no tangles. Then split it into two equal sections. Now take both strands and twist them a couple of times to the right. Then take the right strand and cross it over the left strand so they switch places. Now hold both the strands in your left hand. We're going to start adding hair to the right strand. With your right hand, grab a horizontal section of hair from the right side. Add that new section into the right strand and twist them together to the right a couple of times. Now move both twisted strands over into your right hand. Next, we are adding hair to the left strand. With your left hand, take a new section from the left and add it into the left strand. For a cleaner braid, gently brush each new section first. Now twist the left strand and that new section together to the right. Now take the right strand and cross it over the left strand so they switch places again. If the twist loosen, pause and tighten them. Now repeat that same pattern. Hold both the strands in your left hand. Grab a new section of hair on the right side. Add it into the right strand. And twist to the right. Just remember, every twist goes to the right, no matter which side you add hair from. Now move both the strands into your right hand. Then grab a new section of hair on the left side. Add it into the left strand and twist to the right. Then take the right strand and cross it over the left strand. We're going to keep repeating this pattern all the way down to the nape of the neck. Once there's no more hair to add, braid the rest of the length as a basic rope braid. Twist both the strands to the right a couple of times. Then cross the right strand over the left and repeat this pattern all the way down. If you would like some extra help with a basic rope braid, I've got a fully guided step-by-step tutorial just for that, and I've linked it for you in the description. So that is how to do a clean French rope braid. I recommend checking out my beginner playlist right here on the screen. It's packed with easy step-by-step braids you can follow along with. And if it was useful, please like, subscribe, and tell me what you would like to learn next in the comments. Thanks for watching.